Welcome to the Hands-on Electrical Controls Troubleshooting course. This is our most popular electrical controls training system. It is a hands-on training panel, loaded with real electrical control devices. You can train your students or workers how to find and fix problems fast. Using our exclusive methods developed by years of on-the-job experience, students will complete an interactive online course while wiring the real LearnLab panel in person. The training system is packed with common electrical components. 2 industrial limit switches with NO and NC contacts. 2 industrial push-button switches with 2 sets of NO and NC contacts. 1 alarm buzzer. 1 2-position industrial selector switch with 1 set of NO contacts. 3 lights, red, blue, and green. 2 standard 8-pin ice cube relay with sockets. 1 square D motor starter. 1 IEC motor starter. 1 IEC contactor. And 1 solid-state timer counter unit. Included in this package is the instructor guidebook, student workbook, printable handout, and our interactive PowerPoint presentation with quizzes, videos, and all the information you need to proficiently learn our panels. Maintenance technicians, electricians and electronic technicians, engineering technicians, machine and process operators, career and technical students. This electrical controls training system teaches the operation, troubleshooting, and the important aspects of an electrical controls system found in the industry today. Electrical controls are often found in manufacturing, industrial, commercial, healthcare, government, offshore, pipeline, as well as many other industries. LearnLab Electrical Controls Training System teaches the basic electrical wiring techniques and troubleshooting methods of a common electrical system. Students will be able to practice their skills in an active learning environment with hours of hands-on activities using real-world components. LearnLab's training systems are a must-have for hands-on learning and electrical training. You can train 1 or multiple workers at one time. To purchase this product, watching and happy learning.